Iran will never accept US President Trump's offer to negotiate, but nor will it start a war with its Western adversary. That's the message from the country's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei.
If by some force of circumstance there was a possibility for the Iranian government to speak directly with the American regime, we would never negotiate with the current US government. We have been in wars, but the other side has always started the war. We will respond with great force if war is waged against us, but we will never start a war.
Tehran also unveiled a new generation of its short-range ballistic missiles, defying US demands to curb the weapons program. Khamenei saved some harsh words for his own government. He said better economic management would have allowed Iran to resist the reimposition of American sanctions earlier this month.